Hi guys, back again with some. What this episode is about. We will explain adding and subtracting fractions in simple steps. Let's begin the ride. We have these two fractions, 8 over 9 and 9 over 4. And we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 8 times 4, which is equal to 32. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 32 plus 81, which is equal to 113. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 9 times 4, which is equal to 36. And that is all. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share and subscribe today.